Hello, my name is Gail Weaver. The sixth row is waiting, so let's start our cozy tatting evenings. Okay, I've started this row from this ring, then chain, ring, chain, ring, ring, chain, ring, chain, etc. And this row consists of really huge chains and rings, and that's it. My tatting is pretty tight, so keep that in mind. The only moment I want to tell you is when you are here, you need to switch the thread direction because you need to make a chain here. So I just like to make a knot here. Okay, and now we will have a smooth transition. So I'm just making the next chain. And yeah, the transition is really smooth. And that's pretty it. And the row should be like that. It is wavy, but no worries, we will fix that. And that's it! If you'd like to support me, please scan this QR code or visit my Etsy shop. Thank you for watching. As usual, like, comment and subscribe. Have a great time tatting and see you in the next video. Bye!